안녕하세요, 여러분! I went to the National Museum and the Independence Hall of Korea. And it was such a meaningful experience. Why? 왜냐하면 그 박물관에는 많은 유물들이 있어요. Today, we'll learn how to use the expression 있어요. What is 있어요? It comes from the verb 있다 and it is used to express one, there is or there are, and second, to say that someone has something. Now, to use 있어요 to express there is or there are, we use the following structure. Location, and the thing that exists, add 이 or 가, and then 있어요. So let's take for example, we want to say there are relics in the museum. And we say 박물관에 유물이 있어요. Now let's break it down. First, we get the word museum, which is 박물관. And then we add which is a location marker. Is equivalent to on, in, or at. So 박물관에 means in the museum. Why is it at the beginning of the sentence? Because adverb of place and time are always placed at the beginning of a sentence in Korean. Then we get the word relics, which is 유물 in Korea. Then we add the subject marker 이, because 유물 ends in a consonant. And then we add 있어요. So 박물관에 유물이 있어요. There are relics in the museum, which literally translates as in the museum, relics there are. Now let's make another example. What if we want to say there is a flag in the Independence Hall? So we say 기념관에 태극기가 있어요. Now how did we do it? First, we get the adverb of place, 기념관, we add and we add 태극기, adding subject marker 가 because it ends in a vowel, and then we add 있어요. 기념관에 태극기가 있어요. Now, the second use of 있어요 is to say that you have something or somebody has something. So take for example, I want to say, I have Korean books. Then we use the structure, subject plus the subject marker 은 or 는. 은 is used when the subject ends in a consonant. 는 is used when the subject ends in a vowel. Now we add the thing that you have, and you also add the subject marker, which is 이 or 가. And like I've said, 이 is added when the noun ends in a consonant, and 가 is used when the noun ends in a vowel. And then after that, you add 있어요. So for the sentence, I have Korean books, following the structure that I explained, we say 저는 한국 책이 있어요. 여러분, now it's your turn to make a sentence using 있어요. I'd love to see your comments. Next time, we're going to learn 없어요, which is the opposite of 있어요. Thanks for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. 안녕!